Alright, so there's only 3 things that a dessert needs for me to like it, and that's butter, sugar, and citrus. There's no better dessert out there with all 3 than Crepe Suzette. Let's get it. We're gonna start off by making the crepes. Just a bit of flour, salt, and a touch of sugar. So some crepe recipes only call for milk, but for mine, I'm putting some water in, and this actually helps it be a bit more chewy. Rather than it just being a flat pancake, I like that nice crepe signature chew. Don't look. I kind of struggle with this one. This might sound kind of weird, but I like to take out the part that baby chickens can be regrown out of. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, just look up Japanese high schoolers regrow chicken without a shell. Now we're gonna mix all the dry along with the wet. See, I could whisk this, but why do I need to? Just to make sure that there's no air bubbles when we cook the crepes, we're gonna let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. So next up, we're gonna slice some orange skin for our crepes. You could peel it this way with a knife, or you could actually just do it with a vegetable peeler and then peel it vertically. Just remember to take out the pith, otherwise it's gonna be very bitter. For all you fancy pants out there, you could say I julienne those orange skins, and I'm about to supreme this orange. That's just fancy talk for I'm about to segment it. Make sure to save every last drop of that sweet orange juice. I like to slightly grease the pan before every crepe, and then we're just gonna cook each of these on medium heat. All right, rule of thumb, first one is always a write-off. All right, nice. That looks a lot better. now doesn't it? Now you can enjoy me making like 25 crepes for the next minute. Now that we've spent the last half hour making all these crepes, we'll start to make the base for the sauce. After we bring our sugar to a light caramel, I'm gonna stir in a bit of vanilla paste, add a knob of butter, and then we're gonna deglaze with some orange juice. As our sauce is simmering, we're gonna add our crepes and then let them continue to cook until the sauce is nice and syrupy. So now that it's cooked down, we're gonna add our orange zest, and then we're gonna get a nice flambe action with some of that Grand Marnier. Yeah, honestly, that was a pretty flaccid flambe. But hey, it smells pretty good. Oh my god, why did it stick to the pan? Get this stuff out of here. Don't forget about the orange segments that we spent an unnecessary amount of time cutting up. Yeah? You can't go wrong with ice cream now, can you? Can you? No, you can't. You can't. Look at that sauce just dripping. Alright, now I'm gonna go eat it.